Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we are going to see how to generate an APK file for your Android Studio app. To generate the APK file, you need to go to the Gradle window, go to View, Tool Windows and click on Gradle, or you can simply click here to go to the Gradle window. Now click on Tasks, Build and then click on Assemble. So this is going to take a few minutes. So at this point the task has been finished, the APK file has been generated. To get to the APK file, go to App, Build, Outputs, APK, Debug. So this is the final APK file. Right click on the APK file and go to Show in Explorer. So you can copy this APK file, store it anywhere you want and use this APK file to install this app that you have been building. Thank you.